A very surprising trading day Thursday. Consumer goods, industrial goods were largely muted. Insurance fell slightly, less than 0.2%, but the banks were very active, 3.12%. The big banks were main gainers on yesterday. GT, Zenith Bank, and UBA leading the market. The oil and gas also tapered off by 1%. Let's get a sense of this trading day. On the day, inflation and budget collided on the trading floor. Rotimi Fakaijo is a trader and chief executive officer at Enterprise Stockbrokers, giving us a sense of yesterday and what to look at for this Friday. Rotimi, good morning. Thanks for coming through.
Good morning, Bosun.
Yeah, what happened yesterday, really? What happened to the oil and gas? Let's start from there for about a minute.
Well, it's been so good in previous days, but yesterday wasn't really exciting. We saw spot oil stagnating and Mobil and Total actually taking a nosedive. And looking at the transactions for today is not too different from what we saw yesterday for the oil and gas sector. Presently, we've seen the sectoral index, that is for oil and gas, at 2.89% negative. And I think for now, it is Total and spot oil that is actually dragging down that sector. But I think it's getting steadier, but it may not really look good today for that particular sector.
Okay.
At the same time,
Yeah, I was just about the sentiments for the banking sector. So that we move on quickly, we need to touch a few areas. What about the banking sector? That was quite aggressive Thursday, 3.12%, the only major sectoral gain on the counters.
Yes, it first started with Guaranty Trust Bank, and we saw it later with UBA and Zenith Bank. But today is not really looking as it was yesterday. We are having a situation whereby the banking sectoral index is trending at 0.65% negative. But I believe with what we've seen so far in the week, I think it's still manageable for what traders, what to be acceptable to traders and also investors. So for now, the market is still very much intraday session, and I believe that things will improve as the transactions continue.
Rotimi, by this time next week, we'll be looking at Christmas, isn't it?
Yes.
So, are you traders and investors already in the Santa Claus mood?
Yes, they are. We are still expecting even a better rally than what we have seen this week, next week, and even the upper week. So, it's still Santa Claus in the capital market.
That's very surprising because that's what Kodros Capital also released in the market report for yesterday. That's very upbeat that the market will remain really active. So the key question quickly, what's driving sentiments at this time? Is it the budget or is it expectation that the Buhari's administration is moving forward, they're getting their fingers right on a few things? Where is the optimism coming from?
Yes, there is so much optimism about what the government could do next year. And I think with the experience of 2016, we believe that 2017 will be better, and they are really up to the task, and they are really putting everything in place. So we see that coming better by the time the budget minister gives more explanation to the budget presentation that was done yesterday.
Okay, looks like Senator Udoma is a man everybody's waiting for next week, Monday. So I just want to go home and have a nice weekend. So do have a nice weekend. Rotimi Fakaijo from Enterprise Stockbrokers, we thank you for your time today, trader and chief executive officer. We'll take a break also on the program. We're going to have a nice weekend, but I'll be back in the afternoon with Business Incorporated. Bye for now. Do have a good time, and I'll see you in a couple of hours down the line.